Let me start off by saying I think my wife was right. The past couple videos have been pretty monotone, and anybody who knows me knows that that's just not me. Even now I gesture into the microphone as if you guys can see me. I have no problem jumping into a crowd and talking to just about anybody. So this time, I'm going to try my best to show you me. So far you've seen me take an old hunk of wood and square it up the old-fashioned way. I'm really trying to dial in my hand tools. Next video, I'm planning to do it mostly with hand tools. We'll see how well that goes. Now, my friend who's getting married, she sent me a screenshot of a walnut ring box, and obviously, as you guys can tell, this is not walnut. When you look at the Jenga hardness scale, you will see that white oak is much more resilient than walnut. Now, of course, she may be upset, but I wanted this to be the symbolism of their marriage, right? Something strong, resilient. After having this bandsaw for so long, I finally decided to lock it in. Check out that cut. Zoom! Perfect. Now, even with the bandsaw locked in, of course it's going to leave sawn marks. So let's go ahead and use our number 4 smoother and smooth that guy out. Yeah, we're gonna need the big one. Now, my grandfather, the wisest man I know, he had 2 failed marriages. And my mother, again a strong, bull-headed woman, she also had 2 failed marriages. And I'll try my best to make sure that me and my wife, we stay together. You know, my wife can agree with it. You know, she knows that I for sure was scared of marriage, and obviously you can see why. Of course, I won't pretend that I know everything that happened with those marriages, but I'd like to think that throughout my experiences I'm pretty good at learning through them. Here's a little bit more of that hand tool action. I don't know about you guys, but I think I need to sharpen my chisels. Let me know what you think. I won't lie to you, this is my first time doing this kind of chisel action, so don't knock my technique. with the shallow hinge mortises cut in, we can get to cutting out these itty bitty little tiny screw holes. This was the tiniest drill bit that I had. So much so that it didn't even chuck up into a regular drill. So I pulled out this little egg baiter here. For all the non-woodworkers out there, Johnson's paste wax is gold right now. You know, even when I answer the phone, numbers I don't know, I always answer it with a yeah, and I find that a lot of people get taken back by that. Like I said, I have no problem being loud and out there, and I answer the phone as if it's an important message that I was waiting to hear. Nothing. Basically what I'm getting at is that I have no problem speaking, right? No problem talking. And I think that's the real big takeaway from this. Shameless plug, if you want to support the channel, check out the MightyPlungeBase, which now accept the cordless rigid routers. I should probably paint that back wall. Looks a little depressing. Now yes, this is probably overkill, but I wanted to toss in some magnets in here to get a real good tactile closing action. Earlier this month, I took my wife's car in for an oil change, and as I sit there in the lobby, phone in pocket, you know, I sit there and I'm wanting to talk to folks, and I get back and I tell my wife that, and she goes, you know, people don't really do that. And I'm sitting there, well, like, dang, you know, there's even a guy over there, you know, maybe I could talk to him. Nothing. Anyway, I wasn't going to leave it just a plain color, right? Obviously she wanted walnut, and so we're going to do our best to get it to look like that. My favorite part has to be watching the end grain soak up all the stain. Gotta make sure this guy gets home safe. Little pet pet, good to go. Ever since I started woodworking, I really wanted one of these lasers, and I've had 3 from these Ortur guys, and I've been nothing but enamored with them. Go ahead, take a look down in the description. I get a little kickback if you use my link. Appreciate it. Now my wife and I, we've been together for 5 years, and we've taken everything together. And I know you didn't come to watch a YouTube video about woodworking to get marital advice, but I'll leave you with this. Do your best to communicate.